Hi ladies, my name is Julie Artus and I'm on the run for Mrs. Wisconsin America 2020. Just 2 months ago, my life was aimless and it's been like that for over 10 years. I've tried different businesses and ended up losing a lot of money because I realized the passion was not really there. My daily activities were taking care of the kids, running my small business, and watching forensic files on Netflix the rest of the day. Then Alycia was talking about the winner mindset, and it literally brought me to tears. It hit me to the core as if the sleeping 12-year-old winner Julie has just been awakened from a long decade of deep sleep. I realized how blessed I was for being born with a winner mindset. I was alone. Nobody taught me about it. I was all goosebumps that day as if the lights had just been turned on me. I was in tears for joy, and for the first time in 10 years, in a crystal clear vision, I knew what I needed to do. I knew what I was here for. I was a 12-year-old dreamer when I became alone in the world. I was blessed to have found an employer who took me in as a maid in exchange for food and lodging so I can go to school. Life was tough. I would only get 6 hours of sleep, had no decent clothes, and my shoes had two big holes in them, exposing my very friendly toes. I did not give up. I was determined to reach my goals. I would sacrifice now and enjoy my success the rest of my life was the mantra that kept me going whenever exhaustion overwhelmed me. But then I got here in the United States, and all of a sudden my life became easier when I married into an international airline captain. The 12-year-old winner Julie, who keeps charging forward, detached herself from the lazy, unproductive, dependent, and confused Julie that I became. Alycia made me see who I am and what I believe in, and helped me reacquaint to the 12-year-old winner Julie. So on that very day, I committed myself to getting up at 5 in the morning every single day so I can work on projects that really matter without any interruption from my three hyperactive children. I also stayed away from Netflix. I wrote down goals and religiously followed them. In just 2 months, I was able to write and publish a children's inspirational book, Aim on Her Dreams, set up my organization Nourish the Future website, Instagram, and Facebook page, updated my Zumba instructor license, and built a virtual community of women to Zumba with me for a better body, launched my 7-year-old daughter YouTube channel, and read 4 inspirational books. With Alycia's teachings, I created a legacy bigger than myself. A long-time dream of helping impoverished children get a strong educational foundation is slowly unfolding in front of me through my legacy project, Nourish the Future. This is the dream God placed in me, in my heart, since I was 12 years old. And I am finally making this dream into my reality to honor God. I thank God for Alycia for making me see the way. So ladies, trust the process and awaken the winning mindset that's already in you. You'd be surprised the things you could do even at a short period of time, regardless of how busy you can be with a winning mindset. Thank you so much.